Hi guys, today I'm making the goat curry. I'd like to show you the ingredient which I use. I'm going to need 1/2 spoon of cumin seeds, 1/2 spoon of salt, 1/2 spoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 spoon of chili powder, 3 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. I have a 1 star anise, 5-6 clove, some black pepper, some javitri, 2 whole red chili, 2 black cardamom, 5 green cardamom, 2 little stick of cinnamon. Fenugreek leaves. I have 3 teaspoon of garlic, 3 teaspoon of ginger. Over here I have a 2 roasted tomato. I have 3 onion cut in the slices. I have a half cup of yogurt, 3 green chili, some cilantro and 2 pound of goat. I have this pan on high heat. I'm going to put some mustard oil. If you want extra, you can put extra. I don't put too much oil in the goat because the goat is release his own oil. Now my oil is ready, heat up. So I'm going to put the cumin seeds. I'm going to add red chili, cinnamon sticks, black cardamom, green cardamom, star anise, cloves, black pepper, javitri. I'm going to add onion. I'm going to brown the onion and I'm going to tell you how many minutes it takes. It has been already 6 minutes. So onion is already brown. So I'm going to add salt, ginger, garlic. I'm going to add goat. I'm going to add turmeric, chili powder, coriander, cumin, garam masala. I'm going to put the heat on the medium, little bit hot water. I'm going to cover this one for 5 minutes. Already 5 minutes, so I'm going to check. I'm going to add green chilies. I'm going to add fenugreek. I'm going to add little bit water and cover for 5 minutes again. It has now 5 minutes. I'm going to check. Yeah. Goat takes time like half an hour or 40 minutes. It depends. While the goat is cooking, so I'm just peeling my tomato. Just cut in 2 pieces. I'm going to grind this. I'm going to add grinding tomato in the goat. I'm going to cover it again and then I look after 5 or 7 minutes. It has been already 5 minutes, so I'm going to check again. I'm just pressing on the goat. Let me check if it was soft or not yet. I'm going to keep it 5 minutes again. It's already 5 minutes, so I'm going to check. I'm going to add yogurt now. In this pot, this takes too much time to make it goat, but if you have a pressure cooker, you can cook in a pressure cooker faster. I'm going to cook this with the cover.